Within the hour, Governor Newsom declared a state of emergency for the state of California as the coronavirus spreads. One of the biggest issues right now is a cruise ship with sick passengers heading back to San Francisco. California is the third state to declare a state of emergency. There are now 53 confirmed cases here. There is also a 71-year-old man has died in Placer County from the virus, the first person to die in California. Now, we want to caution you that he did have multiple underlying conditions, and he was on that cruise ship that we mentioned. Meanwhile, 3 new cases of the virus have been confirmed in Santa Clara County. The governor spoke within the past hour about the rising concern of the virus.
I want to just acknowledge that with 53 tested cases positive, this is no longer isolated in just one part of our state. This is broadly shared as a burden and responsibility up and down the state.
Meanwhile, we are tracking the path of that cruise ship. It's called the Grand Princess. This is the ship at port last month. It left on a trip again, and now it's headed back to San Francisco.
NBC Bay Area's Christie Smith is at the cruise terminal in San Francisco with an update for us. Christie.
Well, the latest information that we have right now is that 11 passengers and 10 crew members are showing some sort of symptoms on that ship, but we're told that that ship won't even be allowed to dock until everyone on board is tested, and test kits will be flown out to the ship.
February 21st, a cruise on the Grand Princess left from San Francisco to Hawaii. 62 passengers from the previous cruise stayed on board. They're now staying in their staterooms until medically cleared as the ship heads back towards San Francisco. The CDC said it was investigating 3 likely COVID-19 coronavirus cases among passengers who completed the first cruise, including a 71-year-old man in Placer County who died this morning, becoming the state's first known death linked to coronavirus.
We have a small cluster that may still investigating, that may grow as we learn more, associated with the cruise ship which this passenger also was on.
Health officials in Sonoma County say one passenger who got off that ship on February 21st took a shuttle to a Sonoma County airport and days later went to the hospital and tested as presumptive positive. That person is hospitalized and in stable condition.
We're currently tracking where this individual may have been during those 10 days in the county and working to establish any contacts that person had and potential exposures.
Now, the CDC says that they're also trying to go back and track those 2,500 passengers from the original cruise to Mexico, check in with them, and see how they're doing. Reporting live in San Francisco, Christie Smith, NBC Bay Area News.